Hey,
You're now listening to a Bobby Jackson beat.
yeah. How my enemy a friend of me? Why y'all feed off of my energy? Heart shaped kisses, but really miss my mistress. And 666, evil bitches want my mentions.
Hi everyone, my name is Patrice. If you may not know me already, since it's Halloween time, I kind of wanted to do a Disney Princess Jasmine inspired costume and makeup look. So stick around if you want to see how it turns out. First, what's always important is to have a clean face. I already had washed my face off camera and have clean hands too. But what I like to start out using is the micellar water from Garnier. I use this with cotton balls to clean my face. So I'll demonstrate one for you. Move it around my face just to clean off any excess oils I have on my face as well. And then I like to use my Cetaphil. It's a moisturizing lotion. And I like to put a little bit onto my face, just like a tiny bit amount. The next thing I like to do is to apply my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I like to apply this all over my face on my T-zone area because I mainly get oily in those areas. And then what I like to do next is apply the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. What I like to do next is to apply my Badescu Rose Water Spray. I kind of use it as a primer as well. Then I like to also add the Max Fix It Plus. This is a coconut one. And then let that dry for a second. And then what I'm gonna do next is apply foundation. I like to use a Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the shade R370. And then I also like to use my Morphe M439 brush. And first I apply with this. And then after applying with my brush, I like to use a sponge to remove all the creases I have on my face, so then after I can already start to conceal. So now I'm going to start using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Light Beige 22B. I like to put this on all my areas to highlight my face. I like to use it as a highlighter. I know some people like to use it just to conceal imperfections and all that, but I like to use it as a highlighter, but as well also as to perfect those spot areas. So as you can see, I put some on my chin, my upper lip, my nose, my forehead, and under my eyes, as well as spot areas to conceal my problem areas. I also like to blend it out with my sponge. Next, I'm gonna apply already my powder. I like to use Smashbox Shade Light Neutral. It's the Halo Hydrating Perfecting Powder. And I also like to apply it with my Morphe M462 brush. This is a regular powder brush. So then I'm gonna just lightly grab. I'm gonna just go kind of like around my eyebrows because I haven't done that yet. Just first I kind of wanted to dust around it, not exactly over it. What I'm gonna do next is already start to fill in my brows. So I like to use the Ulta dark brown eyebrow pencil. First I like to brush out my eyebrows. And then I'm already just gonna start filling in. I like to fill in the tail first to get this Princess Jasmine look. I know she has thick eyebrows, so I'm gonna fill it in a little bit more. It's like nothing too drastic from what I already have. So it just might look a little bit messy right now and not clean, but I'll clean it up after I'm done. What I'm gonna start to do now is brush out my eyebrows. And then I'm already going to start cleaning my eyebrows with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer with just a e.l.f. concealer brush. And then I just conceal under. Also bring it to the top. I'm gonna do the other one off camera. What I'm gonna do next is bronze up my face. I like to use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I use my Morphe B6 brush. I'm gonna bronze my nose too. The next thing I'm gonna do already is bake my face. I like to use the Airspun powder. And I also use just an e.l.f. blush brush. It's gonna get messy, so make sure to not wear the outfit that you're already going to wear out. I'm going to drag it all along my nose. I also like to add a little bit onto my forehead. I don't like to have too much on my forehead, so I'm already gonna dust off excess right now. And then meanwhile, while this is already baking, I'm gonna start to do some eyeshadow. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay eyeshadow potion, primer potion. I'm gonna apply a little bit onto my lid and then onto my other. And then today I'm also gonna be using the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia. I think I'm gonna use the Raw Sienna today. So I'm gonna use the actual eyeshadow brush from Modern Renaissance palette and then keep it on my outer crease lid. And then I'm also gonna bring it in. I'm gonna use the other end. And then remember to keep circular motions on your end and bring it inward, like swaying motions. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the Cypress Umber. This is very pigmented, so just grab a little bit. Going with Cypress Umber, I'm gonna again repeat the same motion, bring it inwards, swaying it, and then rotate the outer ends. Next is my eyeliner. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. eyeliner and I'm gonna do a wing today. Since this is Princess Jasmine, she has to have a wing. I haven't done wings in a long time, so bear with me, please. Well, I've already created my wing. I'm gonna do everything else, my eyes, off camera, and I'll be back. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dust off my baking powder. What I'm gonna do now is add a little bit of the Raw Sienna again under my eyelids, just to add a little bit of color under. And then again with the other eye. Now I'm gonna add my blush from Tarte. It's called Party. It's really pretty pink. I'm gonna just add a little bit of a light wash on my cheeks.
Run.
I'm basically done. I'm already gonna set my face with the Fix It Plus from MAC again, the coconut one. Now I'm gonna add my lashes. It's from Allure. The style is called Definition. This is how it's supposed to look. I'm also gonna comb my lashes first. Then I'm gonna apply my lashes with my Duo eyelash glue. It's in the dark tone color. You can finish cutting it. I already had applied in the glue and I'm about to put it on because I already had waited 30 seconds for it. So I'm just waiting on that to get done first. Apply on. One thing about me is I like to apply on lashes with my hands because I don't like using the tools for it because it just makes it seem so much harder to actually do. And then again, after you finish applying on an eyelash, you have to wait a little bit and keep your eyes closed. That's what I do, personal preference, because I kind of wanted to give it a moment to like let it set. Now I'm gonna repeat the same process, but on my other eye, and I'll be back. So I've got my other eyelash on, and basically this is the look, but I'm gonna add on highlighter, and also gonna spray my face again, the Coconut Apply Mascara. This is the Tarteist, and I am gonna bind my lashes together. I just like to put a little bit on, not to do too much. And then I'm going to spray my face with the Coconut Fix It Plus spray. And then I love using this Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. This is just a little mini one because I wanted to try the actual color of it. I don't know if I was going to like it or not, but I know it's really popular. And I'm going to use a Morphe M497 brush to apply highlight. I love applying on Fix It Plus spray or like some type of setting spray first before actually highlighting, because it really picks up the pigment of the color of the highlight. I just really love it. It's really pretty. Ooh, it's so pretty. And then also for my lips, I'm gonna apply a lipstick on. I'm gonna apply Ruby Woo. I don't know if you can see. I know Jasmine, she has like a red lip, so I want to see if this is actually gonna come out right. And now, as you can see, I have my hair in 2 braids because I bought a wig for this costume. So I'm gonna put on a wig, but I'm gonna braid up these 2 hairs. I'm also gonna use this for glitter glue, NYX Brilliant Lights. I haven't tried it before. I'll show you guys a video of how it looks outside in a moment. So stay tuned, please.
I'ma make the way, just bring a surf for ya. I've been offshore, somewhat shaded with my hand braided. Hate to tell you I couldn't make it yet, but be your man, I could be that later. Right now, I might pull up on you on my surfboard like I'm Kelly Slater. Lot of shit that I might forget. I got emails, texts, I ain't read those yet, yeah. Replying to all those things you said, yeah. Like moving on, I might feel that way, yeah. But lately, I've been hoping for change, yeah. If you catch that wave, won't you surf to me, yeah. Damn right, girl, you a bad bitch. If she fish my way, I gotta catch. I take a late night swim in a minute. This is so wet, I was down in a minute. You don't want to 5 on a 101 home. She tell me don't stop, but I'm already gone. Don't stop, don't you stop.
Okay guys, this is my finished makeup look. If you guys like it, please subscribe and keep on watching to see more content come the way.